Hey you guys, so I kind of figured I would just film me getting ready. I'm actually heading out to the Millennium tour and I'm running kind of behind because it's already 6:43. I have to be out of here by 7 o'clock on the dot, so I literally have all of like 17 minutes to get myself together. But I figured I would just turn on the camera, let you guys watch me get ready. I'm not going to do any kind of look that's going to be like fancy over the top because it's going to be hot. So just want to do like a slight beat to my face, nothing too crazy or dramatic. So I guess you guys can watch me get ready. And all of the products will be listed down below in case you guys want to see what products I use. It will be listed down below in the description box. Colors in this eyeshadow palette. I used that light brown color for my crease, and I just used that like brick orange color for my lid, and that's pretty much all that I'm doing to my eyes. I'm not gonna wear any falsies, so I pretty much wanted to keep like my eye look to be like really like simple and subtle, not too much, because again I'm not wearing any false lashes, so I didn't want it to like look weird, you know what I'm saying? So
you lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around. There are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. enchant me, even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. My heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around.
Alright, you guys, so it's 7:04, so not too bad. So this is pretty much the finished look. I just threw my hair up in a pony and that's pretty much it. So I am going to head out the door because I am running behind. Alright, you guys, so I am sitting in my car. Here's my makeup in the actual sunlight. Super excited. I'm meeting my friend Andrea there. You guys know her on YouTube as Andrea Renee. So excited. Haven't had a girls day out in a long time. So super excited to see B2K, Pretty Ricky of course. And I'm just ready to have some fun. So yes.
Hey, hold on, I'm in the A-Town, so I gotta bring somebody out one time, man. I gotta bring somebody out. Man, I gotta... To the right!
Shaking that sex, body shit like an